guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. I miss you guys so much, so today I'm gonna bring you another awesome tutorial like I always do. This one's gonna be a quick one, easy one, and you can customize it to your color and things that you like. So I'm hoping you're gonna like it. And before I start, if you're new to my channel, you just discovered my channel to make 3D perlers and perler art, and also travel video, you're at the right place. So make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so you'll get alert whenever I post new videos. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your patience and your support. I saw all your comments. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. You know, working life is so busy sometimes, and I try to stay on top of my work and also, you know, making tutorial new designs. So hopefully you will continue to be patient. Whenever, you know, I'm ready, I'll post a new video. So thank you so much for all your support. So last 2 weeks, I think I posted my Pokemon Cafe in Japan video. I hope you had a chance to watch it, and I hope to put other videos that I have together to show you more about my trip in Japan and Hong Kong as well. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to make this keychain. Super cute. So this is the character, the anime character that I learned from, you know, Anime Expo. This is really popular, Miku. So I don't know if you have seen her Ita bag. I saw it. You know, it's so cute. A lot of people were carrying it at the Anime Expo in Los Angeles this year, and I saw this, you know, the style, so that is her opening her big mouth, and a lot of people would put like the pins here, so super cool. And I saw it and it was like maybe $100 or $75. So I was like, oh my god, but I didn't get it for some reason. So when I came back, I was like, I really want to make a keychain. So of course I drew, like, you know, the outline and also like a flat one. But I was like, you know, they put like pins in there and also like their plushie in there. So why don't we just add this plastic here so it can be like a little shaker? Let me show you. I hope you can see it. And you can also choose items that you like. You don't have to make little flower. You can make other items. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one. So this one you can. This one I made with mini beads. As you can see, but if you don't have mini beads and you want to make it with regular bead, you can also make it as well, but it's gonna look like really giant. But if you like it, you know, why not? But then for this project, I actually had the keychain. I added the keychain. I got this from Tumu, and I think Amazon also has it in like a pack. I can put the link in the description so you can go check it out. And for this project, you will need like a plastic sheets like this. We also use these for ironing the perler bead, because when we use this, it actually gives a glossy, shiny finishing. But this one I didn't really use it, but I used this plastic paper, plastic sheets to put right here. So that you know, we can have this little pocket here for your custom pieces. Okay, so where you can get this, I think I got it from Amazon. If I can find it, I'm gonna put it in the description so you can get like a pack of this. It's really useful. If not, then I'll recommend getting it, you know, maybe you have other, like, you know, items that have a plastic cover or something like that. You can also use it. All you have to do, I'm gonna show you in a little bit, is to cut the size and then place it on under the first piece, so that way it will stay in place and you can also see through over here. Yeah, so we can so I also saw this Tita bag in other color like pink, yellow, blue, but of course I'm gonna make it with the original color, the turquoise color. I think most people call it green, but I think it's a turquoise color. So if you want to know what color of bead that I use, is turquoise. But again, you can use other color. And then this one I think is flamingo. And then this is just for sand color. So, and you can always customize it to the colors that you like, and also the size of the bead that you like. Yeah, so this is gonna be the one that I'm gonna make, show you how to make it. You only need to make 4 big pieces and then other smaller pieces, then you're done and put it together. So it's gonna be a fun one and I hope you like it. If you like my video, again, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to comment if you want me to make other characters. And so let's get started with this one today. Yay!
Please like, share, and comment. Thanks.
Alright, so let's get started with the tutorial. A little flip over here. Flip it back. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to add this one first and then these two together. Alright, looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna use these little ones right here to insert it here so I can have this piece together. So this part, just like so. And you can see all these over here. They will require the green, the turquoise color. And also have this little beads right here. You can insert it this way. Yeah, so take your time, enjoy this time because it's so much fun here. Just to place these beads together. If you're working with mini beads, the main thing is the patience, because sometimes like when I'm inserting this, might easily break. But if you're working with the regular bead, that would be a lot easier. So we're almost done on this side, as you can see. Yeah, alright, so let's work on the other side. And I can see these ones are very easy because the color does this. The turquoise color is very pretty. And again, if you like to use other color like yellow, pink, feel free to do that, because I know they don't sell individual turquoise color. I got all of these from the tray, the mixed color tray. So yeah, so I would recommend, if you can't find this color, use other colors that you like as well. Alright, so this one I think would be here. This one is a special one that has the black. I'm gonna insert this piece onto the back, like so. Alright, so now we need this one in the middle. Okay, sorry. So it should be this piece right here, and you can see the color. Should be this one. Yeah, so placing this one onto the top. Alright, so now I'm going to insert the other pieces. As you can see, this one goes to this side. Just like so. And then let's do one on this side. That one's not that great. Try again. Okay, now that's better. Okay, and I know this one, it ends like this, so it goes right here. Looking good. Okay, so at the bottom we have all these pieces over here. I gotta look at my notes as well, my pattern. Yeah, one right here and then one right here. And I believe this one goes in right here. I hope I got it right. Maybe not, sorry. I believe this one, yes, so this one should go in here. The middle. Yeah, so sometimes I still have to try to figure out where to place them. That's my challenge. Yes, and then I got this little piece right here. This great pink. Yeah. Oh, okay, so And then we got these over here. These two. And then it will be the top pieces. 1, 2, and 3. And then that would be the bottom piece, I believe. That would be right here. And let's see what we're missing. Oh, we got one piece right here. Oops, so sorry. So this one's supposed to be here on the top. Yeah, so we'll have 3 pieces left. Actually, maybe 4 onto the top. All right. So now I'm going to put these pieces that I made, like the flower. You can make these different colors, or you can make like little heart shape as well. But I just thought I made these ones are very easy to make. And then I used this plastic paper. Oh, where did it go? This is the plastic paper that I showed you guys before. And, it kind of cut a little piece right here. So you kind of just have to measure it, right? So you just kind of measure it how big it should be. So it's kind of like this big. Yeah. So you can see this one actually is a good size, and then maybe a little bit more. So you kind of have to kind of measure it, place it onto the top. The goal is not to show it after you place that beads on it. So I think it looks good. And I can also see this opening right here. It's kind of like right here. So let's see. I don't have a measurement, so I just really did it by how I think it looks. And see, it doesn't work. Does it work? I think it does. It doesn't. It is in place. It's in place with it. Yeah, so we can actually use this one, or we can use the one that I had earlier. Yeah, so they're very close, as you can see. And I'll just place this one onto the top. All right, so now we are closing this one by adding this piece onto the top. So let's move this really quick. Oh, okay, I see the problem. I think I got one wrong right here. Oops. Sorry about that. These two, I should take it out because they don't belong there. Yeah, so this piece should go here. Totally messed up. And then this piece should be right here. So as you can see, Alright, so now we put this back, and now we're ready to close it. And I'm gonna add this piece onto the top. Oh, almost forgot the middle piece right here. We also need one in the center, right? Yeah, got it. Now we can close it. So take it slow because you don't want to break the pieces. Yeah, just like so. And I'm gonna add the top to close up the top. And if you're gonna make this into a keychain, make sure you're going to glue these pieces together. So that way you will not lose the pieces. And then this piece at the bottom will be placed right here. Looking good. Let me see if this one should be right here. And then now closing with these two pumps right there. I would totally recommend to add hot glue for these pieces to stay in place right here. Yeah, these outer pieces, I will totally recommend to add hot glue. So then when your keychain is moving around, it will not break, right? All right, so now let's add the keychains really quick. So for this one, I actually just used this kind of ring. and it's very easy. For this one, I used this bead right here, and I used the tweezer and just kind of like put it in here to open it up. So that's big enough to add this onto it. So I'm gonna open a little bit and just slide through. As you can see, now I just kind of like goes in a circle. And I would totally recommend using this type. Yeah. So it's in here and it's looking pretty good. It's very steady. It's not looking like a brick. And then so I got these keychain ring. Star is important, right? So with the star and the little belt, and let's close it. Now we have this keychain, and like I said, you can customize the color, and you can also customize the little pieces inside the mouth, inside the little pocket, like a little sticky. Alright, I hope you like this tutorial, and tag me on Instagram if you make one, and give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. Alright, bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!